Hello guys, today we're recording for the Mighty Jingles. I'm here with Gunmech.
Hi.
He's in a Miyogi battleship and I'm a destroyer, so we're kind of each other's enemies, you know? Because if I was a destroyer, I would just torpedo the shit out of you.
Yeah, but you're not. You're on my team, so you don't gonna do that. You could do it,
I'm
but
not.
that would be team kill, and that isn't so good for your reputation.
Yeah. By the way guys, we're Dutch.
Or English is not the best it could be, so don't blame us.
Well, I guess
Action stations.
our English is no. I guess people can understand what we're saying.
Nah, I think
You
so.
sometimes have struggles with, your how do you call it?
Pronouncement?
Forces requesting cover
Yeah.
fire.
Well,
Received. I'm on it.
like you say I don't, but you would have yeah, it's hard to explain.
No, you're the one is struggling.
Yeah, now I'm the one who's struggling, but I guess I will just get you're dude, hurry up. We do it all the time, bitch.
Even wat. Ik ben aan het opnemen, even stil zijn graag. Ik kom na het potje.
Well, people, that's Dutch.
Yes, and that was
That
annoying.
was small. Family struggles.
Yeah.
I don't know if I'm gonna cut this out. I'm detected by airplane.
No, that's not
If I see a battleship, I'm gonna to
Enemy force detected.
Well, I see battleship, but it's not kind of where I'm searching for. I search for a
just-
lonely battleship.
destroyer, your side.
Cruising, I guess. Wow. I do have this time struggles to pronounce shit. Last time it was you. Well, you didn't speak that much. I do. I'm gonna get
I'm more
I'm
quiet.
gonna get bombed with just, shots. One cruiser, two
Of course, you're a
battleships,
destroyer.
a cruiser, a battleship, and a destroyer. Oh, geez, they just missed everything. And they don't know where I am. So I'm going for that lonely cruiser. Already gets to me. Well, we're gonna just torpedo spam him more. It's hard to kill battleships in this state, if they get together.
Focus on that destroyer next to you.
Yeah, two destroyers. There's two destroyers. Oh, that's gonna be epic. Torpedo spam. Well, if I can protect it. Well, getting my torpedoes out. Oh, he's so dead. He's so dead. That's one kill.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
Enemy destroyer sunk.
Oh no, dive bomb is incoming.
6, 5,
Uh,
4, 3, 2, and fire. Well, I'm still
Enemy
killed.
cruiser destroyed.
And then he destroyed me. So we're gonna spectate you in free spectate mode. Oh, you're on fire.
yes,
Your
I'm.
life in general have been roasted by now.
Yes, that wouldn't be.
What are you baking on that fire? Flesh?
Oh, that was his main battery.